After blanching the potato strip for 1 minute in the boiling water, drain it, heat the oil in a wok over high heat this time. Then we will put our garlic, a chili pepper. Then we will put the potato strip into the wok. Toss them for a couple seconds. Add the salt and the sugar. Other else the sugar will burn if you add it before you're adding the potato. Stir fry them again over high heat for around 1 minute. While the potato is still crunchy, you can just lay them on a serving dish. The potato strips should be crunchy but cooked at this point. Then we will lay some black sesame pepper for garnishing over the top. This is a very good vegetable side dish on a regular Chinese table.